project management can be a complex and challenging process. It requires careful planning, effective communication, and a clear understanding of roles and responsibilities. This is where RACI comes in. RACI is an acronym that stands for Responsible, Accountable, Consulted, and Informed. It is a powerful tool that helps project managers to clarify and communicate the roles and responsibilities of each team member involved in a project. RACI is an essential tool in project management. It helps to ensure that everyone knows what they're responsible for, who they need to consult with, and who's ultimately accountable for the success or failure of the project. Let's take a closer look at each element of RACI. Responsible refers to the person who is responsible for completing a task or activity. They are the ones who will be doing the work and making sure it's done correctly. Accountable refers to the person who is ultimately accountable for the success or failure of the project. They are the ones who will be held responsible if things go wrong. Consulted refers to the person who needs to be consulted before a decision is made or a task is completed. They are the ones who have valuable input and can provide insights into the project. Informed refers to the person who needs to be informed about the progress of the project. They are the ones who need to be kept up to date on what's happening. By using a RACI chart, project managers can assign roles and responsibilities to each team member, ensuring that everyone knows what they need to do and who they need to consult with. This can help to prevent misunderstandings and ensure that the project is completed on time and within budget. RACI can be used in a variety of project management settings, from small projects to large-scale initiatives. It's a versatile tool that can be adapted to meet the needs of any project. Cut to a shot of the whiteboard with the RACI chart. In conclusion, RACI is a powerful tool that can help project managers to clarify roles and responsibilities, improve communication, and ensure the success of their projects. By using RACI, project managers can streamline the project management process, reduce the risk of misunderstandings, and increase the likelihood of project success. So, if you're a project manager, consider using RACI in your next project. You won't regret it. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.